Hello and welcome back to DriveDriverDriven. I'm humble and I'm still here. If you guys haven't seen my Instagram or followed me on Facebook or anything like that, you may not know, but I was in the hospital for about the past week with heart failure of all things. Um, basically, high blood pressure and just heart problems I was born with all added up. And combine that with a little bit of procrastination because of COVID, and it finally caught up to me. I just wanted to let you guys know that you won't be seeing some videos for a little while because I just need to recuperate, to be frank about it. I I was in a bad way. I was in a real bad way. It's a little hard not to get emotional about it, but um, almost dying um, gives you reason to pause. Um, but I survived. I'm still here. I'm weak, but I will get better. The story goes is I have a really terrible heart and two different forms of competing heart disease, if you can believe that. One form makes the heart stiff and doesn't allow it to move as much. And the other form enlarges the heart and makes it less efficient at pumping. And these two diseases are sort of at battle with each other. And if I had one or the other, I would be in an even worse state. But thanks to their fighting, I'm still here. And unfortunately, that means damage was done. The good news is that I don't need a transplant, at least not right away, and that I'll be able to recover some function of my heart. It'll never be 100%, but it'll be better than it has been in the past couple of months, which is the good news. The bad news is that they've given me a defib slash pacemaker device, and I have to either not weld anymore or be careful about my welding or bribe my friends to do my welding for me so that I can avoid taking some nasty shocks. So that surgery implants a device on your chest and it runs leads down into your heart. And because of that surgery, I can't lift my arm past a certain point. I can't pick things up right now. And that's kind of lay me up for about a month. On top of that, I just have to recover from how bad things got with my heart disease, blood pressure, and everything that goes along with blood pressure, and all the side effects that I had from high blood pressure. So I think taking about a month or so off to recover, to recuperate, is just kind of needed at this point. I just wanted to say again that it's not me being a drama queen. It's not hyperbole, and just the sort of high risk nature of having high blood pressure caused by any number of things, but not recognizing those symptoms on a longer time scale or even a short time scale, and procrastinating because you don't want to go to the hospital because you don't want to catch COVID or use vital resources that are being used to fight COVID, which is what I did, and it almost killed me. So for now, I just want you guys to take care of yourselves. Let's ring in the new year. Let's have maybe a more positive year next year. I will get better and we'll get this car built because I think we got some things to look forward to in 2021 with regards to the Blunicorn and some events that I have planned. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, Happy New Year, and I'll see you next time.